Why does your scanner show the P2310 engine code? What does it mean? P2310 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition coil D primary control circuit high. This engine code indicates that this malfunction can cause engine misfires, a loss of power, and a stumbling engine. And while short distances may be drivable, it's essential to have the issue repaired promptly. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ignition coil D. Wiring and connector issues. Failed PCM or ECM. Sensor malfunction. Internal coil short. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Nissan, Chevrolet, Ford, and Mercedes models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.